Hi, my name is King and I'm from Nigeria. So last year after school I decided to venture into hair business. And before that I encountered a lot of difficulties, which is the suppliers weren't ready to share information on how to supply or how to buy. Until I met Mr. Charles. He's the manager of K Hair. And Mr. Charles shared to me lots of useful information about hair and how I can buy and how I can supply. Then I decided to give it a try and I ordered 1 kg of hair. As you can see, the hair so silky and so smooth. But there was a little problem, which is the delivery. It wasn't that fast, but I think after that, when I saw the goods, I was quite happy with their customer service and I'll keep buying.